Hello, family. Hello, family. This is Dr. Mo with Moya Body Care and Colon Hydrotherapy, and I am your favorite colon hydrotherapist that practices the sacred art of colon hydrotherapy, herbs, and natural living. It's only Tuesday, and as you know, my practice is not a average, regular colon hydrotherapy practice. What I offer is transformational wellness through the use of colon hydrotherapy, herbs, and natural living. That's what I do, like technically. And so, my client that just left, I'm working very closely with her on a 6 week program. Like, she has a 6 week customized program to focus on weight, right? I allow people to say, yeah, I'm doing weight, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. I'm like, okay. All of my clients know that that is not the real reason why they are doing a customized program with me. So, of course, she came in, we started dialoguing, and I am extremely well at seeing the questions that need to be asked for you to move past your blocks. So I went there. She froze up immediately and she's like, I need to go to the restroom. So I eased up. Definitely go to the restroom, take your time. She was in there for a cool minute pulling herself together. She came back out. I met her back in the treatment room. We started going, and instead of me jumping right back into where we ended, I just backed all the way up because I saw where she started closing and clamping down. That's not my point. My point is not to poke you to close down. My point is to gently nudge you towards everything that you want and desire. Two totally different intentions. So she sits in the infrared sauna for a little while with the oils and everything on her, and she's in there, and the heat is starting to hit her. Those oils are starting to penetrate into themselves, and she is exhaling, right? She's doing some stuff. And so I went in there and I was like, okay, let's do some tapping. Let's tap some stuff out, right? Let's tap some stuff out. That brought down this whole wave of emotional release, which was lovely. In the moment, she didn't think it was lovely, but I saw it. I was like, this is... I'm always like, you're good. Keep going. Keep going. She's looking at me like, at this, like, I'm ready to go eat a chicken sandwich, and I'm like, no, like, we good. I'm gonna go get you some water with some liquid chlorophyll. I'll be right back. So after she comes out of the infrared sauna, I have her rest in the treatment room before the colonic, right? So I come in, I'm setting up the colonic, and I ask, did you have any aha moments? Were there anything, any subjects that were highlighted for you, or you had this epiphany, anything, any smells or anything like that? And she looked at me and she said, Mo, when I first walked in, you had asked me a very specific question about what I desire, and I got stuck. And I said, yeah. I said, do you know why you got stuck? And she said, and I'm getting ready to get emotional because I see it done to children. I'm sure I was done like that at some point in time. I hate to say I probably did my son like that at one point in time too, in my ignorance of being a first-time parent, not knowing exactly how to do it. But she said, oftentimes my mother would ask me what I want. And when I would say what I want, she would, demonize me or pop me or say, you shouldn't be asking. And so she just stopped saying what she needed and wanted, because when she did voice her opinion, A, she was ignored. B, she was ignored. C, nobody thought to listen to her and give her what she wanted. And then D, she was ignored. So she's like, well, what's the point? I'll just stop saying what I want and just go whatever you desire, which has led her to a life of numerous surgeries medically. She's trying to piece her body together. Emotionally, her heart space is all over the place, simply because she was not afforded to say what she wanted and desired as a child. This is what I do as a colon therapist. Once she realized what it was and what the block is, that's when her colon opened up. She exhaled, and I could literally see years of self-doubt, not loving her body. I can just see it come out, and I can see all the stuff come off of her. Like, I'm getting ready to get emotional. And I just saw her peace come back to her. This woman is in her 60s. She has been holding on to this incident that she experienced as a child. That one experience shaped her whole entire life into adulthood, and she just now released it. That is the power of colon therapy. And that is what I do. So if you would like to experience a transformational journey, my personal office is located in Torrance, California. My website is Moya, MOYA bodycare.com. If you would like to be trained in what I do and offer this type of space to other people as a colon therapist, I do offer colon hydrotherapy training. Reach out to me at www.mbcwellnessinstitute.com. You can see all the courses available there for you, as well as my herbalist and wellness coaching certification. It is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pull from my digestive health and wellness. So it will have a focus on digestive health, but it is a roundabout program that is also available to you as well. And that's all online. So with that being said, my name is Dr. Mo with Moya Body Care, and I am your favorite colon hydrotherapist that practices the sacred art of colon hydrotherapy, herbs, and natural living. Until then, stay hydrated.